Hello and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 5, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. Basically, if you want to increase or decrease the volume for certain things on your watch. So let's get started. And first thing we need to do is to open the settings. To do it, press the Chrome button to open the menu, then scroll through it, look for the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, we need to find the option called sound. And once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down. As you can see, we have ring volume, notification volume, alarm volume. And we can adjust them by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. So adjust the ones you like to the level you like by tapping on the plus and minus. We have also, I forgot to mention, but we have also media volume, so it's lower, and the call volume, and then accessibility volume. So there's quite a lot of volumes, as you can see. So adjust them all. You can also enable and disable some of the sounds like screen unlocking sound, charging sound, and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can press the Chrome button, and that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.